In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer photos from Nikon camera to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can transfer any amount of photos or videos from a Nikon camera to a laptop, a PC, a MacBook, any device. So all that you have to do to initiate this transfer is to grab a USB cable. So plug one end of the USB cable into the Nikon camera and the other one goes into your PC, laptop, MacBook, whatever device you have. Usually, most modern Nikon cameras will have a Type-C port, so you will use a USB-C to USB-C cable, but you can also use USB-C to USB-A, you can use USB-A to micro USB, and so on. Just look at the port on your specific Nikon camera and the port on your device. Once you have them connected using the proper cable, the camera should already be detected. So in this example, on a Windows PC, it appears here at the left side of the screen on the File Explorer. If you are using a MacBook, you will do the exact same steps under Finder instead. So it will appear under the locations. You can highlight the camera and see the partitions. So click on any of these, and you will usually find a folder labeled DCIM. Just go inside of this folder and inside of any other folders that you find, and then all of your photos and videos will be stored inside. So now you can transfer these files to your PC just like you would with any other folder. So you right click, choose the option to copy, choose the option to cut. You can press Ctrl and A to highlight them all and then drag and drop. You can do whatever you want. And all of the files will be accessible from here. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.